Hi everyone, I'm here to do a collective slash sorry about the background, my kids are playing over here. So anyways, I'm doing a massive haul from SheIn as well as Victoria's Secret. I just bought like a couple things from Victoria's Secret, one being the shirt I'm wearing. So it's just a yellow stripe and it says pink on the back. And then I bought two sweaters. I bought this one which says pink with yellow and gray. I also got just regular black and white. And I bought a pair of leggings, just the ones with the hidden pockets. I also bought just a few underwears. Okay, so the rest of the stuff I bought is from SheIn. I think I bought a lot. A little too much. Anyways, it's a whole bunch of pile on the floor right here, and I'm gonna just pick it up and show it to you guys. First thing I got is this dress. Dress with a sewn in like shirt on top and the bottom, and it also comes with a belt. I also got this set. It's another like plaid set. This one is what the top looks like. Just a box top. And then the bottoms are drawstring like jogger pants. And these are super long. So I wish this had like a pocket, but it doesn't. It looks okay, but it's a little tight like on the butt. But that's probably because I have a bigger gut. So I don't know. That's just probably me. But it is a little tight on the butt area. And it's not stretchy whatsoever. The top, it's okay, but I feel like it just makes me look like SpongeBob, no shape at all. But that's probably because of the cut of it. It's a box cut. So that's that. And then I forgot to mention, I got this in a size large, and the dress I got in a large as well. I wish it came in like an extra large because it's a little too tight on me. But this one is a large and it's super long. The pants fit okay, but like I said, the butt area. And then I got this shirt. Let me be your last first kiss. It just looked really cute. I didn't even get to read the writing, but this is what it looks like. This is a large. I also got this kimono in a medium. I feel like I could have gone, I should have gotten a small, definitely, because this is way too oversized. It's like a checkered print on one side and it's plain on the other in black and white. I got these jogger pants. It has a gold and red trim on the sides. No pockets, which I wish it did. And then gold buttons going down. I got a set of pajamas because they were like $2. I got this in an extra large because I like sleeping in oversized, but this looks tiny. And then this is what the bottoms look like. So I got these pants in a size large, and it's a jogger pant with the red and gold trimming all the way down with some gold buttons coming down. So Gucci inspired. I got just another plain shirt. It's yellow and white, and I got this in a large, and this fits okay, but in the pictures I just thought it'd be a different material, but this feels just really not so good quality. For the lack of a better word. But yep, this is what it looks like, and it's a round neck. This one, I'm super excited about this one because this actually fits. And I got this in a extra large, so this is like a self-portrait inspired dress. Floral lace detailing. It's a sweetheart. And it goes all the way down past my knees, but the lining just goes a little bit above your knee. But it's so cute. I really like this dress. I'm actually really impressed with the quality, and this is one of my favorites. I got this, like I said, in an extra large. And I'm 5 foot. I weigh about 35 pounds. I know, I need to lose weight, guys. This one, it's small. This definitely doesn't fit me. And I got this in a large. So this is like a peplum top with buttons on the breast right here, going down with a sleeve.
Let's look at the detail of the shirt now.
It doesn't look like. It's really cute, but if you're anywhere in my measurements, I'd say go a size up, but I think this is the biggest size they have. So super cute, but I'm gonna have so this is one of my favorites. Again, this is so Chanel inspired. It's a tweed dress, long sleeve, and it's like a flare out skater skirt shirt dress bottom. So these are fake pockets. It has pearls on the button, and this is fake too, but it is so cute, especially when it's on. It makes my waist look snatched. This in a large. And then another dress I got, which I could have gotten like a medium, but I got this in a large. So it has like a collared shirt sewn in, and this is a sweater dress. So it's a sweater dress like this, and then it has some of the dress shirt tucked coming out at the bottom. So cute. It's oversized. So cute. I got it in a large, but this is way too small for it being a large. I'm gonna look like a suman. I don't know if it's like a, it's, I don't know how to say it in English, but I'll look like really like sucked in and just not like dying out of breath. But this is so cute, but I just know for sure this is not gonna fit me. Super cute though, but this is a large. I got another set. They're a color block, so it's a mustard, white, and black. It's another box shirt. It's really cute. It's like a cotton material, round neck, and the bottoms look like this. It's an elastic waistband. This is way too long though. Mustard piping going down the side. I got this in a large. I do wish this had another pocket on the pants, but it works. So cute though. I got it in a large. And then I got another sweater dress. This is an off the shoulder sweater dress, and I got it in an extra large because I wanted it long. But it's so cute. Long sleeve. It's a little thinner material, but once it's on, you don't really see like your undergarments, so it's okay. And then I got this shirt. On the website, it looks like it would feel different, more of like a cotton material, but this looks like it's like polyester or something. I don't know. It's more stiff than I'd expected. It's a round neck, floral design, and it's ripped. This I got in a size large. Then I got this oversized sweater. But you should definitely size down if you're getting this sweater, because this is like drowning me. It's way too oversized. That's what it looks like. This I got in a medium. So it's black at the top, yellow on the sleeves, and tan on the rest of it. This is really cute though. It's really heavy too, so it's really good material. And these leggings, I thought they would be more fitted, but they're more like a harem pant legging. So it's an elastic waist, and it's just like a silky material. I don't know how to describe this, but I got this in a medium. So this fits just fine, and because it's elastic, it's not too tight. But yeah, if you're anything like my measurements, a medium. And then I got this shirt that has that neck like detailing, like a choker neck, and it's floral sleeves, and it's just a black box shirt. And this I thought would be oversized, but it's not, and I got this in a large, and it fits fine. Last but least, for myself, I got this white shirt, and these sleeve details are so cute.
Not gonna model anything.
And this I got in a large, and it's a fitted on me. So if you want it more oversized, maybe get a bigger size, but I don't know if they had a bigger size in this one. But I got this in a large. And I also got my husband 3 things. I got him a vest and 2 jackets, and I'll link those down below. The peacoat he got was way too big, and that was a extra large, and it was like drowning him. And then the jacket, the black jacket I got him is a triple XL, and it barely fit. So these sizings are really weird. I don't know. And the vest I got, I think, extra large, and it was too tight too. So just, I don't know, the men's sizes are way off than women's, and most of these are kind of smaller than expected too. So it just I guess it's just a hit or miss, because I got a medium and it's way too big, got a large and it's way too small. So good thing I made the video so y'all can be aware. The rest of the stuff I got are for my kids, of course. I always shop for them before me. But I got this pair. This is in a size 110. So this is the top. And these are the bottoms. So it's a fold over like sweat pant. This is 110, and this is for my 3-year-old. I'm gonna have them, you know, modeling it so you guys can see how they look. And they haven't tried this on yet, so I'm not sure. Hopefully it'll fit. The pant looks like it's gonna be a little too short, so if you have a 3-year-old, maybe get a bigger size, especially if they're tall. The sweater I think will be fine, but like I said, it looks like it'll be short, like a crop shirt, but we'll see. And then of course I got my baby one. So this is in the size 90. So I got this in a size 90, and he's 1. So this is how it looks. I think this will fit fine, but it might look like it'll be too short, like on the torso area. The pant I know will fit. Looks like that. And I guess you can make it longer by just having, oh no, because this is sewn on the side. Well, just, you know, cut that and just fold it up instead of folding it down. So I got them a matching top. And then I got my little one this shirt. We love Star Wars in our house. So this says, "Don't mess with my daddy," and Darth Vader logo. I got this shirt. It says, "Ain't no woman alive that could take my mama's place." That voice was weird. Anyways, I got this for the both of them again. This is the size 110. This looks tiny. For a 3-year-old, I'm thinking, yeah, this is tiny. Probably for a 2-year-old. I don't know about the 3-year-old. Here's the other one. I think those will fit. Here's the other one. I got the matching ones again. This is the pants. And then this is the top. It says, "Ain't no mama like the one I got." Cute. But yeah, I think that's all of it. Oh, here's the other one for the smaller one. I got this in a size 100. And this isn't a long sleeve version. So I feel like if you have a 1-year-old, the 100 would fit better. If you have a 4-year or 3-year-old, I'd say get the 120. So it's a little bit bigger. And this is the pant. So it's not jeans like the other one. But yeah, this is my haul. I hope it wasn't too long and I hope you guys found it helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll link everything down below. Thanks guys. Bye.